Hello everyone, welcome to Elliottwave.com YouTube channel. Today is November the 14th, and the chart of the day for today is silver right here, 60 minutes time frame. So we can see right now that the metal is recovering after the sell-off in the past 2 or 3 weeks, right? So it bottom here $45.40. We label it as a wave 4, and then from there it rallies in wave 5. Within wave 5, this is in the form of 1 2 1 2, which is a nest. Another option will be 1 2 3 4, right? Either way, whether this is 1 2 3 4 or 1 2 1 2, you're gonna see another leg up, because you can see right here, this is what we call an extended third leg, which is typical in an impulse, right? So if you do the projection using Fibonacci, this is more than 1.618 here. So like I said, it can either be 1 2 1 2, which is a more bullish view, or it could be 1 2 and then you label this 3. Either way you label it, it needs another leg up, right? Either way you label it, it needs another leg up, most likely, right? Nothing is 100%, but most likely it needs another leg up. All right, so let's take a look at, before we go down more into the 1 hour, let's zoom out a little bit and get an idea where we are on the daily time frame. I'm gonna focus on the 4 in blue here. This is the 4 in blue. Now this one was the previous all-time high. We almost breaks to new all-time high. I mean, we have not, but very close, right? This one is 54.46, and the latest high is 54.39. Okay, it's only like 7 pips away from breaking to a new record, right? So if this is a 4, then you can sort of go back and reverse the count, right? So that has to be in the 3 here, right, on the daily time frame. And then where's the 1 and the 2, right? So if you take a look at this one, now first of all, you notice this one looks like a 1 2 3 4 5. Now if you look at this entire, I mean, you might say, can I put 1 here maybe and 2 here? But the problem is, if you do it this way, this entire rally doesn't look like a 5 ways, right? It looked like this is a 5 ways up, but this one is a 1 2, and then I don't see any 3 and 4 here. So it's like 1 2 3 waves. So therefore this 1 and 2 is most likely actually here. I know the 4 is a little bit too big, but it's okay. It's not like violating any rule of Elliott Wave, right? So that means we are actually looking for the cycle that started from April this year. That cycle is looking to complete a 5 waves, which is kind of similar to the indices if you think about it. Indices also bottom on April this year. Okay, so then we are within wave 5, and you can see this is 1 2 and an extended third leg like we saw earlier in the 1 hour, and therefore we should be looking for more upside. Now the minimum target, now of course the confirmation is that it needs to break above wave 3, right? That will confirm, okay, 4 is really finished. Let's discuss about the alternate first. Now the alternate, in reality, until it breaks above wave 3, you can always do this double. So you can call this like a zigzag like this, for example, or this is probably to pick as a wave 4, and then the count change again. So that will be the alternate. But what is the likelihood that to happen? I think it's small. Why? Because we almost break above the previous peak, right? Double top happens sometimes, but it's not really that common, double top. And secondly, this leg is very extended, giving a look of an impulse. So basically almost breaking the high, extended third leg, and also a bullish market to begin with, and all of them is in favor of the bullish side, right? Even though, yes, technically until it breaks above this previous peak, we can do another leg down. We could, but it's less likely, okay? Less likely. So so now what we're looking for then basically is any kind of pullback. A 3 swings pullback should be able to find another support for further upside from here. Now, does it mean we need to do another leg down? It does not. We could in fact be ending 2 already and going up. Even we could be still on only ending 4 here. We could even still be doing this and continues to go up only to end 5 of 3 from here. So it is not a sell by any means. It's not a sell by any means. We can even do this, but it is a potential buy because it's bullish. It's a potential buy in any kind of pullback in 3 or 7 swing. Okay, guys. Now, in terms of what will be the minimum target, well, the minimum target, as always, can do the retracement of wave 4 and then pick the 1.236. Now, this is not by any means the only potential target. This is just one way you measure potential target for wave 5. There are a couple of different ways, but one way is to measure it like this and take the 1.236 to 1.618 as the next potential target for wave 5. Usually in the minimum 56.5. Another way, for example, is to measure wave 5 equal wave 1. So you do it this way with 1, project it here, and then you take the 100% to 161.8%. Now, as you can see, if you do it that way, the potential target is same as 56.5 or so as the minimum, all the way to 63.3. Okay, so that's the idea here, guys, for silver right now. As always, if you want to get more updates on silver or any other commodities, forex, indices, and so on, feel free to check out service. It's only 99 cents. For new members, you can use the link in the description of the video. All right, and then you can check out everything that we offer, including live trading room and so on. And otherwise, I'll see you all again next time, and have a nice day to you all.